What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So today I just had to make this quick unboxing video of my newest project. Now this has been a long time in coming, and I don't know if I've ever been really this excited, because this is just not something you start every day. It's not something that shows up at the shop every day, and it's going to be a massive undertaking, but we're going to try it. Maybe I'll just take you around. We'll kind of peek in a few spots before we just tear it open, and let's get to revealing the new build. Obviously, big pallet and a lot of stuff on here. Quick backstory, this has been on the market for a while. I've been watching it and it was incredibly tempting. I kept telling myself I got too many projects, I can't do it. Finally, talking with the guy, the previous owner of this, and I just couldn't say no anymore. So now I'm dove in head first and we're gonna see what we can make out of this. But for now, let's get to looking at what exactly is on this pallet. So let's get a few little peeks and then we'll just cut it open and find out what all it is. All right, enough of the teasing. Let's get to unboxing this, or I should say unstrapping and cutting off the wrapping, because I just can't wait anymore. This has been way too exciting. I'm honestly kind of nervous because this is going to be a big project, and I have already enlisted the help of my good friend Martin Hart. So if that tells you anything, maybe that will give you an idea what this might be. I mean, just look at that. Count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2. Yep, there you have it. Everyone's been saying turbo to V10s. I got a V10 and I got a turbo. Now to make it all work. Now this is one giant turbo. I believe this is a DT45 Garrett. I don't know the specs off the top of my head. I will have to dig into that. But it is big enough to blow this engine to the moon. We're gonna try not to do that. But so pretty much what we are working with here is standard V10 out of I believe it's a 2007 or 2008 Audi S6, like C6 S6. Currently it has a OA3 made it to it from a B7 S4. This is out of the 25th anniversary, which I believe has a 4-to-1 center diff. Not 100% sure on that, but I believe so. I was able to get it with the wiring harness. With the turbo kit, we got custom tubular manifolds. Well, not tubular, log manifolds, I should say. We have got a whole bunch of miscellaneous parts here. I don't even know what all is in here. Set this aside. See what all we got in here. Okay, so here we got intercoolers. Got all kinds of random intercooler piping. And the big thing that I really couldn't wait to see, we have got another Clutch Masters twin disc 850. We have in here, let's see, we got some more boost related stuff, plumbing. Cut open this one here. All right, so here we've got mass airflows, V-band for the downpipe, I'm assuming, and the ECUs. Now, I believe he said this has like a stage 1 supercharger file of some kind on. Not sure whose tune it is or what it is, but hopefully it'll allow us to get the car started before we have to tune it. So, I guess a little bit as far as what the plan is on this engine. As you may know or not know, I haven't posted a ton of it. I also have a C6 S6 that was manual swapped, mostly by Martin, who was working for me last winter. That is rear-wheel drive and manual swapped, and the issues we ran into is we had a misfire under load, which we eventually pretty much diagnosed back to injectors. And then once this project was kind of in the works, I decided to wait till I had this, so I was to be able to quickly pull the manifold, pull the injectors, swap them into the S6, and confirm that it's actually injectors. And then on the turbo, I can have some room to either go OEM or maybe try to find maybe a slightly higher flowing injector for this project here, depending how this all goes down. So that will be the first thing we will be doing, is just simply getting the injectors out of this and into the S6 and try to get that car up and running. And then what we're actually going to be doing with this is we're actually not going to be using the manual transmission, because the car it's going into has a different transmission that I'm going to attempt to use. But that'll be for the next video or a future video when we actually review what this engine is going into and what the actual plan is for this. I'm pretty excited about it and can't wait to show you. But for now, I'm going to go do some more looking and digging into here because it's like Christmas. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also post your guesses as to what this project might end up looking like, what car it is going into, and what our success rate is going to be, or what chance of success you would give this project. So anyway, catch you on the next one.